Devils!
Hey,
These days I no can understand the kind devils who na be again.
the red one, sir.
Come shut up there. Who asked you? See, we dey go Stamford Bridge to go play our next game. Sorry, don dey to make mouth anyhow. Him no know say na EPL we dey so. Make we show am say him still be JJC for EPL. I no know how una wan take do am o, but make una no lose that game. At least I don coach some of him boys before. That their captain, Azpilicueta, no get speed, no dribble am. Just kick ball, follow am run. You don't pass am. You see that one where him hair just full everywhere like lion?
Now, Louis.
That one. Him careless die. Him like the show body where him no even get. Lukaku,
Sir?
I won't make you handle am.
Okay, sir.
The only one wey go give us wahala na Hazard. I no know wetin him chop. Him just dey score anyhow this season. But I get plan for am. Fellaini,
Yes, sir.
Hazard na your country guy, abi?
Yes, sir.
I wan make you go visit am. Speak una language give am. Then before you comot, Tifol in jersey wey him go wan use play game on Saturday. Both home and away jersey. Tifol in boot join. Then as you dey comot, let him tire. Make him for no see motor quick come stadium.
Yes, sir.
The Blues!
Hey,
Welcome back from una international break. I hope say none of una carry injury come. I no even understand this new UEFA Nations League wey dem bring say make una dey play again. Man U dey come Stamford Bridge on Saturday. I no too get talk for that match because una suppose handle them wella. But make una remember say dem go play everything wey dem fit play to take collect at least 1 point from us. But we no go gree dem, especially that Sanchez. Make una no gree am score that kind surprise goal wey him score Newcastle for dying minutes.
what of Lukaku?
Left that one. Before him score one, him don miss 10. But no even gree am see ball miss safe. Make him just dey run like Jackie for page.
Okay, sir.
Now be that.
Come open door, Nasari.
Sorry, wetin you dey do for my house by this time?
I just dey come back from training with my boys. I say make I pass your house side, come greet you before I reach house.
But na for London your house and una stadium dey now. Wetin you dey do for Manchester?
I don tell you say I branch to come greet you now. You don dey talk all this long talk now. Person no fit come greet him guy again.
Wetin you find come my house?
I say make I come tell you say make you prepare well before you come Stamford Bridge o. Because we no go pity una if game start. I been organize prayer session for you last time with one strong man of God. You no gree come.
So na this thing make you fly from London come my house to come tell me?
No be only am. I been also wan come give you tips on how to win us. But I come remember say no team don beat us this season.
You no get work abi? Nonsense. No be City flog una for Community Shield.
That one no follow na.